What's going on, fuckers? Today's Spirit Day is Hawaiian beach wear type thing. It's Thursday. High's supposed to be like 82, I think. Probably gonna be hotter. Filming today for Comic-Cad. Yeah. Let's get this day going. We gotta go to Ms. Gladys' class. I'm in math class with Dylan Grady.
No.
You can't get all shy. You can't get all shy.
Restart it.
It's a math class. We're not Miss Gladys. We're watching that fentanyl thing. Oh, it's Lydia.
Not touching me.
Boring content.
Brought by James in the building, man. Look at this fucking two. What you gotta say,
I'm
man?
first. Chin chin number.
What are you gonna say?
Oh,
Yeah.
Restart.
Go sack.
Alright, restart. I'll go first.
George, get the fuck out the way. Yeah, beautiful day out, huh? It's a great day. Stop, yo.
Stop.
Why are you Stop. Get off my backpack. Get off my backpack. Just get off my fucking backpack. I'm eating lunch with my guys right now. Look at these guys. You guys so
So happy.
He just pooped. No. Here with Kai Neeson from imported from India. What's going on?
We were just eating lunch. You saw Angel chomping on his lettuce.
Yo, come on, can I have those chips?
No.
Oh wow.
A blitz. Mariota flattened. Back at the...
Pick me! Oh wow.
Angel, bro. We should get an intro to your vlog, bro. Like everyone.
Jake, Miles, and I are going up to World Lit. We got World Lit coming up with Mr. Doherty. We're gonna sit in class and listen to Mr. Doherty talking about World Lit. And we're gonna go do some World Lit with Mr. Doherty.
Let's go, Jake. Come on, Jake. Push. Pass those kitty stones. Pass those stones. Nobody's gonna stop you now. Keep going. Come on. Nice. Keep in it. Stop.
Whoa!
Yo, this is Achilles Down.
What's up, guys?
I'll let it dangle.
Fucking prick.
He's about to fucking kill him, dude.
Bastard.
Face. Come on. Oh, Achilles, do a flip, man. Do a flip? Yeah.
This is exclusive footage at Ballers. I pray for you, brother. Please be safe. This nigga is 50. Oh shit. Oh my.
What's up, y'all? Out of school, picked up Aiden, Noah Price,
Nico Rod.
Nico.
Yeah, I'm Noah
Wait,
Price.
point it back at me. Point the camera at me. Okay.
Everybody go start filming. All right, so we just made it to where we're filming. Nico's doing a scratching right now.
About to win a foghorn. Maybe a trumpet.
And yeah, we're just gonna walk to the place and wait for everybody else to get here.
Hey, guy.
Noah, come back.
Tell me a little bit more.
Is this going on your
Besides,
vlog?
no, it's not going to the vlog. It's not. Besides hanging out with friends and playing guitar, what else do you
Let's
do?
say nothing really.
Do you have any pets?
Nope. I had a cat like a couple years ago, but
What kind of cat?
I'm like
Was it
trying
fucking hairless?
No, those things are fucking ugly. No, like a tabby.
You know that's my first cat, right?
Cool.
That was my first cat.
All right, so we made it to the location to film in. Miles has all the gear, so we're gonna wait for him to get here. But yeah, we're just gonna chill and hang out.
Fuck Miles.
Hashtag fuck Miles.
Yep.
Hashtag please fuck Miles. He's a virgin.
This is day 300 of Nika trying to land this
Try
shit.
300 of trying to land the fucking polar ice. Come on, let me land it. Let me land it on camera, bro. Stop. Food in my belly.
Miles finally got here.
Stupid fucking vlogs, bro. Seriously, I'm done with this.
Don't fucking say that. Don't say that about my boy Angel Amador's vlogs.
I love Angel Amador vlogs.
Angel Amador vlogs.
So basically what happened is that he was flipping the gum and he landed like that, just like this. Watch. But he landed like that. What's up, y'all? So we just got done filming for our Comic Cat original short. My phone died, so I couldn't get any of it. So we just need to go get some scissors real quick, and yeah. Now we're at In-N-Out, about to get some grub. Just fucking get so hungry. How do you think shooting went today?
It was fantastic.
Shooting went today.
Point at me. Point at me.
Shooting went today.
We did perfect. This movie's gonna be incredible.
Pointed at me.
Okay.
Pointed at me is pointed at me.
I think the shooting was good today.
Angel, how do you think shooting went today? I think it went fucking great. It was pretty long. We all got hungry and angry towards the end, but we did good.
I'm still hungry. I'm hungry. Do you want to do a joke for the video? Like, hi, I'm hungry.